everybody, this is Mr. Driving School driver training, and in this video I'm going to commentate how to deal with a roundabout first, a spiral roundabout, normal roundabout, and after that how to join the M25 motorway and how to leave the motorway. So if you new driver, you never been to M25 motorway, and this video is useful for you, so stay tuned to at the end of the video. So at the moment we're going ahead, the speed is at the moment 40 miles an hour, and it's going to change for national speed 70 miles an hour. So now my speed is about 37. So now I'm going to change my lane because this car's going a bit slower, so let me change my lane safely. So center mirror, right mirror, signal right, and when it's safe, change my lane to the right hand side because the road is 70 miles an hour, and also it's busy, so there is not much space in front of those cars, so this car can go faster. So my speed is at the moment 40 now, and this car is going slow down, so it's raining at the moment, so our following distance would be, instead of 2 seconds, 4 seconds, to keep a nice distance from the car in front of us. At this roundabout I'm going to go ahead a second exit, so I can be on the middle lane or I can be in the right lane. So if you advance, if you know how to deal with the roundabout, you can be in the right lane because the road markings allow me to go ahead from the right lane as well, but usually on the left lane. But in this roundabout allow me, I can do that. As long as you an advanced driver, you can deal with it, otherwise stay in the left lane. So 1 2 3, yes, continue. I'm going ahead second exit. So once I pass the first exit, I'm going to check my center mirror, left mirror, signal left, and leave that roundabout here safely. Okay, so now the next roundabout coming up, I'm going to take the third exit towards M25. So the speed is here 50 at the moment, so my speed is 47, 48, 49, now 50, and the next roundabout I'm going to take M25, third exit to the right. So the car in front of me, they start to slow down, so I check my mirror, then just off the gas, then start to gentle braking now, gentle braking, beautiful. Okay, so we are going towards M25, we are in the right lane at the moment. Okay, so center mirror, right mirror, signal right, position to the right already, the roundabout control with the traffic light, and stay on my right lane at the moment, and A10 and 25. So that's the first exit. I'm going to take the third exit. Okay, so now I'm going to change my lane here. So center mirror, left mirror, signal left. So the reason I change my lane here because this lane is going A10, so I'm going M25, that's why I swap lane here. So now this is the second exit, and the third exit is coming up. So there's another little road there just before the M25. We don't count that one, so it's just a tiny road, just usually the highway agency, which is working for M25, they just park there, so I don't count that one. So if you count that one, that would be the fourth exit, but if you don't count it, the M25 would be the third exit. So we pass the second exit now, then as soon as I pass that little road where the police car is, so after this one, now I'm going to check my center mirror, left mirror, and then go to M25 now. Okay, so now slip road, M25. So now what we're going to do, we're going to build up our speed to the cars already into M25, then check my mirrors, build my speed, and then when it's safe to do so, change my lane. Okay, so now at the moment my speed is 42, so let's build it up. Check my center mirror and the right mirror, signal right, and then just double check if it's safe, then slowly merge in. That's good, yeah, There you go. Now continue ahead. Now I'm gonna change my lane again. So center mirror, right mirror, signal. No, I'm not gonna change my lane because it's not safe now. It's not safe now. So I'm gonna keep going ahead at the moment until it's safe to do so to change my lane. Okay, so I'll stay here at the moment because the right lane is busy as well. So I'm not gonna change my lane. Stay in this lane. Okay, to see how it goes. Then if I see the lane, middle lane next to me, the right lane, they're gonna go a bit faster than this lane, then I'll change lane. At the moment I'm good because I'm going 50, usually M25 is 70 mile an hour, and the cars next to me, they're going 50 as well, so there's no point to change lane. But if they were going faster, I would have changed lane. At the moment, stay where I am at the moment, behind this big truck. That's good. So now this lane is a bit faster, so I can go a bit faster now. But I'm not going to change my lane at the moment until I see if the right lane is go faster, then I will change lane. Okay. So my speed is now 63, 64 at the moment, and the actual speed in M25 is 70, and it's raining. So not heavy raining, but it's a little bit drizzle of raining, but I will like to keep my distance nice from the cars in front of me, to just keep myself safe and the other people safe. Okay, so now my speed is 61, now 62. There you go. So the right lane is not going fast, not much fast, because the right lane is a bit busy. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to change my lane to the left hand side at the moment because the left lane is empty. So center mirror, left mirror, signal left, and when it's safe, come to the left hand side, yes. So this lane is a bit quieter, so I'll just stay in the left lane because it's not busy this one. The left lane is a lot quieter, so I'll just stay here because the right lane, the other three lanes is a lot busier. So I prefer to stay in the left lane. Okay. Usually when it's rain, there's a lot of cars on the road, so at the moment it's so busy there. I prefer to stay in the left lane, it's no point. Far down the roads, anything going up there. Okay, so the moment is safe. It's good, and keep myself about 4-second gap from the big lorry, and very soon I'm going to leave that M25. I'm going to also purchase bar, so leave the M25 very soon. Says half a mile to just bar, junction 24A111. So then I'm gonna be leaving. So now half a mile, so I don't need to change my lane to the right hand side because I'm gonna leave in any minute. Okay, so when I see the countdown, then I'm going to check my mirrors and signal and leave that 25. Okay, so now 300 yards. Now it's 200 yards. Check my center mirror, left mirror, signal left, leave the signal on, and then you don't need to slow down, just drift it. You don't need to steer, just drift it. Beautiful. There you go. Now cancel signal, then continue. Okay, so we're going to take the first exit to the left, so center mirror, left mirror, signal left, position to the left, nice and slow, gentle brake, nice and slow, look to the right side to make sure it's safe. Yes. Okay, towards Enfield town. There you go. Job done. Okay, so thank you guys. I hope you found this video useful. How to deal with a roundabout, the spiral roundabout, how to join and leaving the M25 and driving in 25. And if you found this video useful, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe for more content like this. Thank you and have a lovely day. All the best.